Okay, so Zoe's making a template on a mannequin head. This particular client's template is at the factory, and I made one for me for it and sent the template back. So this is being used for Leon as our emergency. So we're making a template, cellophane over the top of it on the head with sellotape. So Zoe will then use the template to cut out the markings for the hair. So it's just marking up where she takes the hair. You've got quite a bit of your own hair, to be fair, haven't you?
Yeah. Just didn't grow at the front.
Yeah. And then we take that hair off with the clippers. A little bit of stubble is fine, especially with the tape. Something to bond onto. Beautiful.
Phil's devoted to his bongo.
Yes, very. Lest we forget. So my thinking is, my engine blows up, and I've got a bonnet with lest we forget on it. So obviously I've got to buy a new engine.
Yeah.
Because I can't desert the bonnet.
Probably costs more than the car, isn't it?
Of course, I can't desert the bonnet. It's got lest we forget on it. Representing all the veterans and all the fallen. That looks good. And that's actually loose. There's no tape or glue there, and it still looks natural because the lace and the venting is of high quality. Right, so the reason, right, so we got a bit of shine there. If we put that back again, that dulls after a couple of days. See the shine? That's tape. Initially you can see that when it's fitted, but I know, because I have it as well, that that actually subsides. Is that the right word? Are you still a mute? Yes, you are. Okay, right, so that will. So if we've sprayed some water into that, which isn't a good idea, it will lose its shine. Okay? Right, okay. That's good. Excellent.
Oh, they're young again.
How young are you?
30.
Gee, air systems, eh?
Yeah.
Such an easy style. So easy for hair systems, maintenance, everything. The sweat back style, as you know.
It's hard.
Yeah, well, you've got to tend to it, haven't you? With this, you can wake up, just brush it carefully, and off you go.
Yeah.
Right, look up at me, young man. Right, okay, so let's give this some justice. Right, if you just move slightly, your head slightly that way, that's it, stop. Yeah, so texturize in and then go the other way. That's it. And then look at me again. Give a good smile. All right, so swept back look to I call it Caesar. What's the modern word for it?
Bomber cut, innit?
Oh, is it? Right, okay. Right, so these are the easiest cuts for maintenance, guys, and longevity. So if everybody had this, they would get more for their money. End of story, right? So you've tried the swept back look. Loved it because the pictures are great.
It's high maintenance though.
Hard maintenance, so happy days with this.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
That's it. Right, stay like that. That's it. That's doing it more justice outside. If you just spin round slowly, that's it. And keep going, keep going. Stop there. That's good. And keep going round. All right, excellent. Do you want to shot with a bongo? Go on, quickly. Go on. Yeah, go on then, mate.